Oh, hi. I didn't. Have you been sitting there long? I'm sorry. I should introduce this. We're VMTurbo, and we're a Tech Trailblazers finalist in virtualization and cloud categories. After all, that's why we're here. We're located in Boston, New York, the Bay Area, London, Tel Aviv, and other exotic places. We're backed by Bain Capital, Highland Capital, and Globespan. Our software's won a bunch of great awards, including the JP Morgan Innovation Award, which is kind of a big deal and kind of a cool trophy for software anyway. What else? Oh, and we have over 500 customers who absolutely love our product. But, rather than blah, 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 let me show you something. Our very serious introduction video. That'll give you a sense of what we do. It's only a couple minutes, and you can tell me what you think after. Sound good? Great. Thanks. Think about it. Why did you virtualize in the first place? For many, it was about cost. Whether it was research showing that every 1% increase in data center utilization was worth $1.4 billion globally, or just that your team needed to do more with less, virtualization just made sense. But as your team hunted savings with virtualization, the process began to introduce risks. For example, they found that as utilization increased, so did the risk of contention that could degrade performance and lead to unhappy users. Somewhere along that cost curve, your progress stalled. Perhaps your team over-provisioned to keep your users happy, wasting money better spent on innovation. Or perhaps it's just the ability to manage IT hasn't kept up with its growth. But what if you didn't have to walk the tightrope between satisfying users and your CFO? What if you could find and maintain that sweet spot where you minimize cost while assuring application performance? VMTurbo leverages efficient market principles to make the best workload management decisions possible, sweating your infrastructure to its theoretical limit while keeping your users happy. Our software-defined control platform scales instantly across your virtualized environments, enabling you to transition budget and headcount away from servers, storage, and software to more productive uses, freeing that budget and your most valuable team members to innovate. Now, perhaps you've already virtualized 90% of your data center and feel like you're doing well, but ask yourself, how much do you expect your workload to grow this month? This year? Next? How could you reuse the budget VMTurbo can recover for you to meet that growth without additional spending? Or put another way, how much money are you wasting to keep application owners happy? Using VMTurbo, you can de-risk this equation and bend the cost curve in your company's favor by following the path charted by VMTurbo's patented software-defined control platform. And bending the curve even a bit can have huge impact. If every 1% gain in utilization across global data centers is worth $1.4 billion, imagine the return that 80% of VMTurbo customers see with utilization gains of 20% or more. An investment providing return within an average of 3 months. So don't be forced to choose between happy users and a happy CFO. Find a better way to achieve and maintain the optimal state of your environment, guaranteeing its perpetual health. Give VMTurbo 30 minutes in your data center, and we'll show you how. So that's how our software rolls here at VMTurbo, and so far it's going pretty well. We really appreciate your time and attention, and we'd absolutely love your vote. And if you have any questions, come visit us at vmturbo.com. Well, thanks.